Ciao everyone. Today we're gonna do a little bit of something new. We're gonna do biology, how to do science, and we're gonna go straight into the center of our bodies all the way up to the heart. Now, first of all, what is the heart and why is it there? Yeah, as you all probably know, the heart is a fist-sized organ in the middle of your body that pumps blood around your body and gives you energy and keeps you alive. Now I'm going to tell you the in and out functions of the heart. So the heart's there in the middle of your body, and it's got two sides of the heart, one half and the second half. The first half contains, the first one contains carbon dioxide, and it pumps blue blood around your body. The second half contains nothing but blood, and it just pumps red blood around your body. Now, it helps with your breathing, this. So the carbon dioxide helps you to breathe slight more. I don't know if you knew that, but it is a fact. Blood does help you breathe a little more, and it's to do with the ventilation of your body or something. That's something slightly different though, something a bit different. And then the normal blood is just a more stronger blood for your body's energy, because when your heart pumps like maybe once or twice a second, they're the average, they're the healthy signs of the heart. Then depending on how much exercise you've done, it'll pump at different speeds, and the reason it does that is to give you more energy to move around. So you're doing some really soft moves, or you're just completely still, your heart will pump about once a second, like dun 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 dun, like that. Whereas if you're doing exercise, your body needs more energy, and this red and blue stuff called blood needs to go around your body more. So what does your heart do? It pumps twice as fast, twice a second. Roundabouts. Maybe not fully accurate. Maybe it pumps a bit less than that. But some people, it depends on different body sizes. Because if you've got a bigger body, your heart only expands a little bit, and your body's a lot bigger than the heart's a lot smaller for the size of your body. So it might pump a lot faster in your older to get more energy into this bigger body. So it'll go da 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 da. Oh, well, no, not that fast, but da 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 da. And then maybe a young person will go da 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 da. So yeah, there's just slightly different speeds with body sizes, and it can depend on different body types and blood types. And there's so many things that can have a dependent on it. And basically that's how different things work. Now, your rib cage, I'm going to just say something a little bit about the rib cage. This rib cage protects the heart, because if we didn't have a rib cage there, one quite bad fall could finish you off. You know, you could be dead like that. Yeah? Because your heart is that close to your skin on the outside. All it needs is one little bang, you'll have a heart attack and you'll die straight away. Whereas if we hit our ribs, poof, the ribs don't break. The ribs are there just to protect the heart, just to cushion the heart with any bumps or anything. And to be honest, whether there's a God or not, our bodies have that function altogether, and that is a great thing to have. Also, next to our heart here, we have something a bit more cushiony, even though the lungs need to be cushioned by the ribs too. The lungs pump, that's a different function altogether. Now, let's have a look at this. I can't really show you a table with this particular video type, but yeah, it's like a circuit, if you like a heart and blood circuit, right? So the blood travels through this tube to this part, then it travels downwards to this part, and it like spreads out in different directions. In fact, say you had so say you had a it's, you know, when like little charts, so you have a big square at the top, then this 2 squares that are a bit smaller. Then there's 3 squares that are even a bit smaller, 4 squares that are even a bit smaller, and each time they get smaller. Well, it's a similar thing with your heart pumping blood, really. So your heart sends out to, I don't know, say 4 or 5 main parts of your body. So 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 leg, no sorry, 1 leg, 2 leg, first arm, second arm, and head. So your blood's gonna go to them 5 main parts of your body. Then after it's sent down 5 main parts, they will separate into even smaller parts. So maybe once it's gone to your head, it'll go on maybe to your brain, and maybe your chin, somebody's chin, brain and chin. Then in your arm, it might go to all 5 of your fingers, 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, 5 finger. And a lot of blood, which we do have a lot of blood, is needed to pump around them areas. And that's basically how they get wicked. And, you know, food gives us energy, sleep gives us energy, but most of all, the number one instigator for all our energy is our heart. Because you can last quite a long time without food. You can last a fairly long time without water. However, you cannot last more than 30 seconds without a heartbeat, without blood pumped. I mean, just imagine that if you had to eat every 30 seconds just to stay alive. You won't be able to keep up, would you? You won't be able to get sleep then, and that'll kill you because you need to be sleeping every 30 seconds. And that's a good thing that our heart is there for us. It's always working away, and we can just sit back, relax while this thing is working. Because we, as humans, say if our heart was a person, it's just an object, but say if it was a person, our heart, if it was a person, it would be absolutely sweating and exhausted. It would be probably the strongest man on earth, just going through all that exhaustion. If you were a human doing that, you'd probably die in the end. But our heart lasts years and years until we die of aging, and that's what I mean. Anyway guys, that's just a bit of information about the heart. Thanks for watching my video, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new thing. Bye.